Whoa. Well, can we stop?
Not here.
Yeah, it's good.
Watch, that mountain is in the sun, and we're just about to get nailed big time. Ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna be driving into a cloud, basically. Look at it right there. See how it's coming down?
Whoa.
And those people keep it moving. That's what torches are.
Is there like a road going that way? Because you can see that wall of rain is mostly that way.
Want to see if we can.
Yeah, if there's a road that turns that way, we should probably go there.
We want to go right into that. Well, look at it in here too.
Whoa, so we're gonna get nailed.
Either way.
Well, anyway, it looks good, but that one is definitely...
Look for a road, alright?
Alright.
Those people keep it moving. And we can't be free.
There's a road turning in there that way. Which town is over here?
I can't remember the name of it. It's a really small town. It's a tiny road. I think we should go to the next road because I'm not really thinking. Yeah, this one isn't in it, see?
Oh yeah.
It's not.
Yeah. The next road we should probably go to.
Oh, look at the water coming down into here. Look at this.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at this, Tom.
Whoa, look at that water.
Look over here.
In the stream. Whoa. I mean, whoa. Whoa.
Wow. This road's pretty,
Whoa.
hang on.
There's a stream in the middle of the road. There's 3 streams.
Yeah, I don't know if I can do this. We're gonna have to turn around.
Yeah, it looks like the storm's going that way a little, so maybe that's good if we turn around.
Whoa, look at that.
Whoa.
We're gonna have to get a 4-wheel drive if we're gonna be storm chasers, you know?
Yeah. This is cold rain, Dad. This is cold rain. Oh my God. Whoa.
Oh, I know. This is frustrating. Oh, jeez.
Huh. Whoa. Alright guys, it's pretty cold right now. It's about the dew point. since my dad's windshield's fogging up. Got a pretty nice rain. We got good streams flowing. I'm a bit serious. It's really cold right now. I can see to the high 40s. It's just some cold rain. But it's fun though. Oh, it's beautiful out here. My phone is so light. Holy crap. Well, anyways, guys, I'll check back in with you if it starts raining any harder. We're getting a hailstorm. Dad, this is crazy. Wait, is this safe for our car or even us? Whoa. Oh, this is awesome.
8 and 10 in the morning, 8 to 10 in the morning, and then
See that
the sun goes down.
Holy crap.
I'll try and get by there. I'm not
Speeding up. Speeding up, Dad. This is crazy.
Are you driving now?
Whoa.
Okay, so you gotta get
Yeah, it's definitely. I'm starting to get wind. Dad, we're starting to get some good wind and some good sized hail. And it looks like it isn't going to be stopping for a little while. Goodness. Holy crap. I'm still going through it. It's been like a little while. I'm gonna go out there once it stops. Because it's birds actually taking pictures down. You guys can even hear it.
Okay, I'm gonna do
Not
that.
too loud. And I don't know why. We can be out there pretty soon.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go. The storm just went through here. It's really powerful. We have more on our way. Like, that is pretty intense. Also is that. So we're kind of trapped. I wouldn't say trapped, but because this is pretty fun. Say there's a lot of water though, and it's really cold. There's some wind, not a lot. There's a good amount. And with the rain, it can make it pretty cold. Because it's cold as hell. This is about the same. I don't know if we're gonna get hit again, but usually if I make these videos a bit too long, I just straight up kicked that dirt. Alright guys, I'm gonna see if it works. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
I had to get that. Arletta was coming back. She
Yeah.
was coming back from. She's still driving somewhere between Utah and Arizona. And
Yeah, I'm gonna look at the radar. I've been taking pictures and it's really nice.